Sige guys, happy Saturday afternoon sa inyo. Ngayon, may na-discover naman akong feature in Meta for Messenger. So yan, bali need lang may update si Messenger. Ayan, so open natin si Messenger. Ayan, so itong unang update na i-release i-review natin is itong biometrics. So itong biometrics is now open to doon sa may privacy and safety. Dito is pwedeng fingerprint sensor or any other type para ma-open yung pwede yung PIN and itong fingerprint sensor depende lang kung meron kayong fingerprint sensor pero pag wala is yung PIN na gagamitin nyo. So yan, open natin. And then ang isa pang feature na i-release natin kay Messenger is yan yung rounded corner sa notes. And then yung loop ng sa music. And then ang isa pang maganda kay Messenger is itong friends. Ayan, dati yung highlights, ginawa lang siyang friends. And then dyan yung makita yung mga story highlights ng mga friends nyo in any other public modes nyo yata dito sa Facebook is makita nyo din. Then ito yung mga post nila or yung mga kanilang mga pinagagawa sa Facebook. Tapos ang isa pa dyan guys is itong communities. Ayan, tapos itong friend request. And then pag tingin dito sa may settings, then privacy and safety, ayan yung uplock. And then ang isa pa sa advanced naman natin is protect IP addresses and calls. Ayan, hide your IP addresses from other participant and calls. So ito sa uplock, kaya pagka-click niyan, kailangan enable nyo yung toggle option dito. And then click nyo itong after ID Messenger or depende na sa inyong preferences kung kailan yung gusto lalabas yung uplock na yun. Yun guys, and I hope you learn more about our video today, and don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. And guys, and thanks for watching.